Welcome to English Ladder. In today's lesson, let's understand how to ask for help professionally. We can improve our English one step at a time. Let's begin. Most English learners ask for help like this: Help me. It's correct, but there is a better way. What? If you could sound more polite, more confident, and more professional with just a few small changes. Today, let's climb the English ladder. In everyday English, people always use help me. The sentence is simple, direct, and easy to understand, which is commonly used with friends and family. In some situations, it may sound a little too direct. So, let's learn how to ask help politely. Could you help me with this task? Now, you are sounding more polite. The phrase, could you, makes your request softer and more respectful. Let's understand how to ask professionally also. Before I show you the next version, can you think of a better way to ask for help? Are you all ready? Now, you can see a sentence: I would appreciate your assistance with this task. So, this is very professional. Instead of simply asking for help, you are expressing appreciation and respect. So, this makes your request more polished and thoughtful. So, let's look at some more powerful alternatives. The first one is: I was wondering if you could help me with this task. It is natural and polite, and it is commonly used by fluent speakers. The next sentence is: I would appreciate your guidance on this matter. It's perfect. We use it when we want to ask for advice or expertise. The next one is: could you please guide me through this process? It is very useful when you need step by step support. Now let's compare them. Help me. Could you help me with this task? I would appreciate your assistance with this task. All three sentences are correct. Here, the difference is how polite and professional they sound. Now, tell me, which sentence would you actually use? Let me know in the comments. Until then, keep climbing the ladder. See you in the next lesson.